Wow, can you believe it? The king of innovation, Elon Musk, just went and bought Google. I mean, talk about audacity. But what does this mean for the future of technology? Will Musk's vision change the game for search engines and AI? And will Google's search algorithm finally spell Musk's name correctly? These are all questions we'll be exploring in our upcoming video. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on this wild ride. First, let's take a look at the companies involved. Google, as most of us know, is the largest and most popular search engine in the world, with a market share of over 92%. It also owns a number of other popular internet services, such as YouTube, Gmail, and Google Maps. On the other hand, we have Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX, Tesla, and Neuralink, who has made a name for himself as a pioneering entrepreneur with a focus on innovation and technology. So what led to this acquisition? According to reports, Musk approached Google with the idea of integrating his company's technologies, specifically artificial intelligence and space exploration, into Google's services. After months of negotiations, the two companies came to an agreement, with Musk acquiring Google for an undisclosed sum. This acquisition could have a significant impact on the future of technology. With Musk at the helm, we can expect Google's services to become even more advanced and innovative. For example, Google's search algorithm could be integrated with SpaceX's satellite technology, allowing for faster and more accurate search results. Additionally, Google's self-driving car project, Waymo, could benefit from Tesla's expertise in electric vehicles. Another area where we can expect major changes is in the field of artificial intelligence. Musk has been a vocal proponent of AI, and with Google's resources at his disposal, we can expect to see significant advancements in this area. For example, Google's AI-powered personal assistant, Google Assistant, could become even more advanced and intelligent, potentially leading to new innovations in the field of smart homes and personal assistants. However, it's not all good news. Some experts have raised concerns about the potential for a monopoly in the tech industry. With Google now under the control of one individual, there are fears that competition could be stifled, leading to higher prices and less innovation. Additionally, there are concerns about data privacy and the potential misuse of personal information. Despite these concerns, it's clear that this acquisition has the potential to bring about major advancements in technology. Only time will tell how it will all play out, but one thing is for sure, the future of technology just got a lot more interesting. As we dive deeper into this acquisition, it's important to note the potential impact it could have on the advertising industry. Google is one of the largest digital advertising companies in the world, and with Musk's acquisition, we can expect to see new ways of utilizing this platform. For example, SpaceX's satellite technology could be integrated with Google's advertising platform, allowing for targeted advertising to reach remote and underdeveloped areas of the world. Additionally, Musk's experience in electric vehicles and renewable energy could lead to new forms of eco-friendly advertising. Another area where we could see changes is in the field of virtual and augmented reality. Google has already made strides in this area with its Google Glass project and Daydream VR platform, but with Musk's expertise in space exploration and AI, we could see even more advancements in this field. This could lead to new and innovative ways of using virtual and augmented reality in fields such as education, medicine, and entertainment. As for Google's other services, such as YouTube and Gmail, we can expect to see changes in the way these services operate. For example, YouTube could be integrated with SpaceX's satellite technology, allowing for faster streaming speeds and better quality video. Additionally, Gmail could be integrated with Neuralink's brain-computer interface technology, leading to new ways of interacting with our emails and other digital communications. However, it's important to note that these are all just speculations and predictions. It's impossible to know for sure how the acquisition will play out and what changes will be made. But one thing is for certain, this acquisition has the potential to bring about major advancements in technology and change the way we use the internet. It's also important to note that with any acquisition like this, there is always a risk of job losses as redundancies are identified and operations are consolidated. This is a concern that should not be ignored, and it's important for the companies involved to ensure that employees are treated fairly and with respect during this transition. On the other hand, this acquisition could also lead to new job opportunities and growth for the companies involved. With Musk's vision for innovation and technology, we can expect to see new projects and initiatives being developed, leading to new job opportunities for engineers, designers, and other tech professionals. All in all, this acquisition is a major event in the tech industry and has the potential to bring about major advancements in technology. However, it's important to keep in mind the potential risks and challenges that come with any acquisition and to approach this news with both excitement and caution. One important aspect to consider is how this acquisition could affect the development of new technologies in the field of space exploration. With Musk at the helm, we can expect Google to be more focused on developing cutting-edge technologies in this area, such as reusable rockets, satellite internet, and interplanetary transportation. This could lead to new breakthroughs in this field and ultimately benefit humanity as a whole. Another area where this acquisition could have a significant impact is in the field of renewable energy. Google has been investing in this field for many years and has made significant strides in areas such as solar and wind power. With Musk's expertise in electric vehicles and solar energy, we can expect to see even more advancements in this field, leading to new and innovative ways of generating clean energy. On the other hand, this acquisition also has the potential to create a monopoly in the technology industry. With Google now under the control of one individual, there are concerns that competition could be stifled, and smaller companies may find it difficult to compete. Additionally, there may be concerns about data privacy and the potential misuse of personal information. It's important that the appropriate regulations are in place to ensure that these concerns are addressed and that competition is maintained in the tech industry. Another point that is worth mentioning is the potential impact this acquisition could have on the global economy. Google is one of the largest and most valuable companies in the world, and its acquisition could lead to a significant increase in jobs, GDP, and tax revenue. Additionally, Musk's focus on innovation and technology could also lead to new business opportunities and investment in the technology sector. However, as always, it's important to consider any potential downsides and ensure that the acquisition is in the best interest of the economy as a whole. Conclusion: Elon Musk acquiring Google is an exciting and intriguing development that has the potential to bring about significant advancements in technology, new opportunities for collaboration and partnerships, and new business and economic opportunities. However, it's also important to consider any potential downsides and ensure that the acquisition is in the best interest of society as a whole. As always, we'll be following this story closely and will bring you updates as they become available. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more news and analysis on this developing story and other technology-related topics. Also, if you have any thoughts or opinions on this topic, please leave a comment below and let us know. Additionally, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest technology news and trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.